Say that again.
One blade.
Say it again. He's shredding right now. He's shredding right now.
We got our blend space, the 1 inch section. I'm gonna take that too.
He's shredding right now.
One blade is my shortest down here.
Not all the way up.
I already cut the top. I got my hard part in already. Right here, I'm gonna take my 2. In this case, I have permission to take the 2 all the way to the line.
Love you, Addie. Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. I'm filming. Lincoln
All right.
distracted me.
Check it out. On this side, I want to avoid a disconnection. I'm going to come in with my 2. We're going to create a little ramp so we can do our clipper over comb and have a seamless transition. Get in there. And once I get about here, I'm angling the blade up. See that?
Gotta get posted on YouTube.
You want a little bit of overhang here. And then as you angle this blade up right here, you're creating a wall. Got a little wall, clipper over comb.
Make them pay for it.
You're gonna build this wall, and Mexico's gonna pay for it.
The client's gonna pay for it.
Full price, what's it?
See that? So on your 2, not too high, because you want this length right here, and then a little clipper over comb. No disconnect.
No.
Lymph means overhang.
One and a half. Remember, drop down a little bit. Make your new section. Don't go past your 2.
Still not going past the 2.
It's like freaking man paying attention.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that.
Terrible. Is it in cinema mode?
No. It zooms in too much.
Good point.
All right, got our 1 and a half. Follow the numbers. 1A. Come down a little more. Because all we got left is 1A and back to the 1 to get that last line out.
Yeah, I don't care.
See that? Now we're going to come with our 1 and hit the last line. That's what we started with. Get on the line. And you want to go up about a 1/4 inch section and fade that little line, that last line out. Right into the 1A. Like a coloring book. Follow the numbers.
There's no in the middle. There's no in the middle.
Now, for the sake of not making the video long,
Is this a short video?
flat top comb. Look. See this overhang? You come in there. Angle towards you. Minimal. Get in, come out, angle towards you. See that? Now his hair is super straight, but that's about the best we're gonna get. But keep in mind, we're not cutting too much. It's minimal. Look, come in and Andy, angle towards yourself like that, little by little. Comb it down. You should see a smooth transition. This is basically helping you lift those hairs towards you, and you want a smooth. But there's our blend. See? I'll do the rest off camera.